What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another quick video here. So yesterday I went to my local Target, and as we all do, I went straight to the pegs, looking for Hot Wheels and stuff. And I noticed that all the good stuff was gone. So on my way out of the store, I noticed that near the registers, one of the shelves, was stocked up with Hot Wheels and stuff like that. So I start, going through the pegs first. There was nothing there, and then at the bottom there was the 5 packs. So I start looking at the 5 packs, and bang! I found not one, but two of the Fast and Furious 5 pack. Bang! Haha, yeah. Check this out, guys. Look at these beauties. Awesome. These, I can assure you, they're not going to be pretty easy to find. I got very lucky. Apparently, it appears that that little section right there, the one I was telling you about, the one near the registers, had just been stocked up with these guys right here. And what I've noticed about these on the packaging, it's pretty cool. So each, there's 5 cars, right? So apparently each and every one of these cars was used or shown in Fast and Furious movies. Like this red one here, it's the 61 Impala, and it says it was featured or used or seen or whatever on the Fate of the Furious. See that right there? Okay, this green one here, it's the 70 Ford Gran Torino Sport, and this was seen, used, or featured in the Fast and Furious movie. It's a pretty nice color. It's a metallic green or gunmetal green. Most of you, or some of you, may call it gunmetal green. At least out here in California, I know some people refer to this color as metallic. As gunmetal green. Then we have the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster in a metallic or gunmetal gray. Check this out, guys. Beautiful. And this was featured or seen in the Fast Five. And we have this 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. And this was seen, used, or featured in Fast Furious 6. Check this out, guys. Pretty awesome car. Looks like it has a chrome interior. I'm not a big fan of chrome interiors. I don't know why Hot Wheels does that. I mean, it's just not very realistic, but it is what it is. It's still, overall, it's still a nice piece. It's just, I wish Hot Wheels would just not do that. At least on the licensed models, they should not refrain from doing that. They should do that like on the fantasy cars and stuff like that, but not on these licensed models. Last but not least, we've got the 70 Chevelle Super Sport, and this was seen in Fast and Furious, the very first one. This is my favorite of the set. I think I've shared with you guys before. I like simplicity. I like nothing too catchy, fancy, crazy decos or decals that do not complement cars and stuff like that. This car is beautiful all the way around. It's got a black interior, the color. It's got the chrome underbody, 5-spoke rims with the chrome in with a chrome lining around the rim, and it's a very nice piece. My favorite. This red one here is not bad either. It's the 61 Impala. Very nice cars, but yeah, by far the Chevelle is my favorite. So anyways, I was lucky to find 2 of these. I'm not sure if, I don't know, I might sell it, I might use it as trade bait, or I might just keep it, you know. But anyways, guys, these are my finds for my latest finds. You guys have fun, be safe, and happy hunting, guys. Take care. See you next time. Later.